Okay, let's look at a question about how to write system of equations from context. First thing I want to do is define my variables. I'm going to use the variable x and y. And I'm going to define x using one of these from the actual question, what it's asking. Write a system of equations that can be used to determine the number of games Kiran played. So number of games played. Number of games. And then also it's the number of rides Kiran went on. So number of rides. Not to be confused with the cost, but the number of rides and the number of games. And just double check that it's the number of games and the number of rides. Okay, from there we can write our first equation. Each game costs $1.50, so I can do $1.50 for the games, which is x. We're doing an equation for the total cost. And now for the rides, each ride is $3. So that's 3. The variable for rides is y. And I put the total cost now, which is Kiran spent $18 altogether. So 18. What is the next part asking us? Kiran spent $18 altogether at the carnival, and the number of games he played is 4 times the number of rides. Okay, so 4 times the number of rides. Let's read it one more time. The number of games is 4 times the number of rides. So they wanted more games. So let me define the games then. The games is the variable x. And it's 4 times as many of the rides. So it's 4 times whatever rides is, which is y. And just double check and ask yourself, what did they do more of, games or rides? What was more? More games, more rides. Well, read it again to double check. The number of games he went on was 4 times the number of rides, so they went on more games. And this would make sense. If it's the number of games is x, it's 4 times, so that's multiplication, so 4y. Let's look at another one. I'm going to use x and y again. I'm going to go down to the end, write a system of equations that can be used to determine the number of free throws and the number of 2-point shots made. So x can be free throws made. And 2-point shots made can be y. Okay, so let's do the equation for the total amount of points, which is 12. 12 points total. Okay, there were some free throw shots made, which is 1 point each. So x is free throws. It's 1 point each. So you can do 1x or you can just do x. And there were some 2-point shots made. 2-point shots, well, that's 2. Y would equal 12. So 1-point shots, 2-point shots, 12 points total. And now let's do the equation for this next part, which is asking us, it says, and made 4 times as many free throws as 2-point shots. So what did they make more of? Well, they made more free throws. So free throws, x equals how many times more? 4 times. So it's multiplication, 4 times the 2 points, which is y. Ask yourself again, if the sentence is telling us that they made 4 times as many free throws as 2 points, ask yourself, what did they make more of? More free throws. Okay, let's start with that then. X. How many more? Well, 4 times as much as the other, which is 2 points, 4y. Let's try another one. Write a system of equations that can be used to determine the number of hours Tai worked, or Tai, either way, work washing cars, and the number of hours worked walking dogs. So he washes cars and he walks dogs. I'll do x and y again. You can choose any letter you like. He washes cars, and it's the number of hours working washing cars. and the number of hours walking dog. It's a busy person. Either way, let's write the equation for the total that he makes now. So it's $10 per hour washing cars. Okay, I think we can figure that one out. It's 10 washing cars is X plus $6 per hour walking dogs. Okay, so that's 6Y. How much did the lad make altogether? He earned a total of $88. Good for him. 88. Okay, and it says Ty worked twice as many hours walking dogs as he did work washing cars. So what did he do more of? Walking dogs or washing cars? It says Ty worked twice as many hours walking dogs as he did washing cars. So he did more of walking dog. He likes to work dogs. So walking dogs is Y. How many more? Twice as many hours as washing cars. Washing cars is X. Twice. Multiply X. Again, asking yourself again, what did he do more of? And it says again, Ty worked twice as many hours walking dogs as he did washing cars. So he definitely was walking dogs more. And walking dogs is the variable Y. Twice as much. So 2 times 2x. Okay? What más? X and Y again. What do they want? Write a system of equations that can be used to determine the number of pounds of strawberries sold. Number of pounds of strawberries. Number of pounds, not the price, but the number of pounds of strawberries. And what else? Number of pounds of blueberries sold. Number of pounds of blueberries sold. Great. Okay, fine. Let's break it down. Each pound of strawberries is $2. So 2 strawberries is X plus, and blueberries is 350. So 350 Y equals, let's get the total in there. David sold twice as many blueberries. And what was the total? He made 225 altogether. Altogether is 225. Let's do the part. David sold twice as many pounds of blueberries as pounds of strawberries. What did he do more of? Blueberries. So let's start with blueberries. Y equals, how many times more? Twice as many. 2x. Okay, again, ask yourself, what did he sell more of? David sold twice as many pounds of blueberries as pounds of strawberries. So he sold more blueberries. Okay, blueberries is Y. And then define what Y is. Y is, so Y equals twice as many as the other, which is 2x. So everybody says, continue. All right, this one's set up slightly different. I'm going to use X and Y again. Define my variable. Write a system of equations that can be used to determine the number of student tickets sold. So student tickets sold. Student tickets sold. And the number of adult tickets sold. Adult tickets sold. Adult tickets sold. Okay, let's get the prices and again the amounts in there now. So student tickets sell for $5.50. So $5.50x plus adult tickets is $9.50. $9.50y. What's the total amount that was made? There was a total of $703 in revenue. That's revenue meaning how much they made. So 703. And then what's the next part asking? And there was a total of 98 tickets. 98 tickets was the total amount of tickets sold. So there was 2 types of tickets. There were student tickets and adult tickets. Student tickets and adult tickets, total of 98 tickets sold. The amount goes here, the ticket amounts, number of tickets goes here, the revenue goes here. There we go. The end.